Andre Teodoro from Brazil, who cannot attend. He is an air traffic controller, and also he works as an aviation English teacher. He wants to know when is the next aviation book coming, whether there will be more about bird strike, and the second question is where he can get a course for aviation English teachers that you recommend.
Well, of course, when it comes to courses for aviation English teachers, I would recommend going no further than attending our course at Oxford Aviation Academy, which has a blend of operational familiarization, including flights in aircraft, time in air traffic control centres, time with subject matter experts talking about what flight operations are, coupled with hours with Andy and Terence and I talking about how to teach aviation English in terms of developing materials, developing syllabi, classroom methodology, and all the rest of it. But this is no commercial presentation, so I won't say anything more about that. Visit the website. When it comes to new material, we have just begun working on a new course for professional pilots and air traffic controllers, which is going to be much more of a checking and practicing type activity book, which is going to cover somewhere around 30 different aviation topics or topics related to flight operations, everything from bird strike to storms to wake turbulence to the traffic pattern to cargo issues to you name it. It will hopefully be there. That's based on another set of topics or air traffic control domains, which is also an appendix at the back of document 9835. So yes, we are producing new material. Yes, there will be something on bird strike in there, but there should also be some very rich topic areas that will complement, hopefully, the aviation English from Macmillan, English for Aviation from Oxford University Press, and will hopefully help language teachers to do their work and to feel more confident and comfortable in the classroom, and of course ultimately help learners of English, pilots and air traffic controllers, to improve their proficiency in an expedient fashion. But that should be ready sometime at the beginning of next year.